So here it is after paint. Got my carpet just laid here. So got some Dynamat, Dynapad, Dynamat. Runs all up the firewall. Dash is back in. Reproduction window glass. Dynamat Extreme up on the roof. Dynaliner. New old stock window seals for the sides and to be installed on the doors. Reproduction rear window seal. There's one of the gauges. Just had the windows tinted. Let's see. There's that little super hard to find antenna hiding over there. And over here, got some various body parts waiting to be installed. Doors, hood, more door, trunk lid, and then on my little jack, my cleaned used motor. New brake rotors, CV boots, both sides, fan belt, new old stock motor mounts, and then boxes of goodies over here, still to be installed.